Nice shoes.
Lola, can you show your shoes? There they are, the ones Grandpa bought for you.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Wait. Wait. Let's show your shoes. How you walk in your shoes. Yes, you do so good.
She walks very deliberately.
Your shoes. Can you say shoes?
Mama.
Little girl, you ready to go? Just gotta go to work. Yeah, I gotta go.
Lola, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say I love you. Good.